Good morning, students. Today we discuss here zygote. Before the zygote, we already explained to you fertilization. So zygote is the result of fertilization. Okay, zygote. What is zygote? Zygote is the result of fertilization. Okay, and it is a diploid cell, and it is diploid cell, and it is diploid cell. Okay, it is the first cell of animal. It is the first cell of animal. First cell of animal, because life is start from this structure. Okay, next thing, zygote divide by only mitosis division. Zygote always divide by mitosis division. Mitosis division, no, the division which occur, the division in which number of chromosome same to their parent, that type of division is called the mitosis division. So zygote always divide by the mitosis division. Second things, zygote soon after its formation undergoes a series of mitotic division. After its formation means after, when zygote is formed, after formation of zygote, after formation of zygote, a series of mitosis division occur. Okay, so collectively divisions are collectively known as, so these collectively divisions, these or collection of division, these collectively division are called cleavage. Understand what is cleavage? Collection of mitotic division in the zygote is called the cleavage. Cleavage in zygote give rise to a solid mass of cell, and cleavage rise to solid mass of cell. Solid mass of cell, or this solid mass of cell is called the morula. Okay, now cleavage in human zygote. Okay, so zygote divide by the mitosis division. In this type of division, zygote divide by irregular division, and in this irregular division, first division is called the vertical division. And this vertical division, first division in zygote is irregular which divide the zygote into two unequal sized unequal sized blastomeres. Unequal sized blastomeres. So first division is called the vertical division, and second division, first division is called the vertical division, and second division is called the vertical division, also vertical division. Vertical division. Okay, so this vertical division make the right angle to each other. Suppose this is the zygote, and this vertical division divide the zygote into equal half, and second another division, which is this is the second division, or this is the first division. So second division also vertical but at a right angle to each other. Okay, the macro. So first vertical division, zygote divide into two part, micromere and macromere. Understand? Now we we start next is the when this zygote is divided by the mitosis division and continue, and when this zygote convert into cysteine celled stage, when zygote form cysteine celled stage, that cysteine celled stage is called the morula. Cysteine celled stage is called the morula. Morula has two types of cells, macromeres. Morula has two types of cells. Cysteine celled stage is called the cysteine celled stage of blastomeres. Are called morula. Morula has two types of cells, macromere and micromere. Okay, so macromere cells form the covering of the fetus. Macromere form the covering of the fetus, and this membrane is called the fetal membrane, and it also form the, and this membrane is called the trophoderm. This name is also trophoderm. This membrane also form placenta, and it protect the embryo. And micromere cells, trophoderm layer form the placenta, and micromere cells form the inner mass. And this inner mass would developing into embryo proper, which develop into embryo proper with the help of these micromere. End of the morula stage, 4th or 5th days. End of morula stage, 4th or 5th day after the fertilization, the embryo reach the cavity of the uterus. After 4th or 5th day of the fertilization, morula reach the cavity of the uterus. Okay, the morula in the uterus cavity float up to 2 days. Then on the 7th day, 2 days float. Where float? Uterine cavity. And seventh day fertilization. 7th day it attached to the endometrium wall of the endometrium wall of the uterus, which is called implantation. Means seventh day after the fertilization, seventh day implantation is occur. Just before this, zona pellucida disappear. Just before zona pellucida disappear, and this time during the implantation time, one hormone is released, which is called the HCG. This is called the HCG. Its name is human chorionic. Human chorionic. Human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. Gonadotropin hormone. Okay, HCG full form human chorionic gonadotropin, which help in implantation of morula into the endometrium wall of the uterus. After implantation, uterine endometrium undergoes profound changes. This profound change is called the decidua. Some changes occur in the endometrium wall during the implantation of the morula. This is called the decidua. But morula is convert into, firstly morula is convert into blastulation. This blastulation stays implant in the endometrium wall of the uterus. So during that time, some changes occur in the endometrium wall of the uterus. This is called the decidua. Some changes occur in the endometrium wall of the uterus. This is called the decidua. Okay, so